Good morning everyone. Today I will explain about talking about visuals in business presentation. This topic discusses how to explain cards, graphs, tables, and other visual aids clearly and effectively during a presentation. Visuals are important because they help the audience understand information more easily. A good visual should be clear and simple. When a visual is complicated, the presenter needs to explain it and highlight the most important information. Explaining a visual. When explaining a visual, we can introduce it by saying, "Let's look at the next slide," or "First, let me explain the graph." We can also explain colors, symbols, and case used in the visual so this audience can understand the information correctly. Highlighting information. After explaining the visual, we should focus the audience attention on important information. For example, we can say, "I'd like to draw your attention to this point," or "Let's look more closely at this section." Types of visuals. In business presentations, there are many types of visuals such as graphs, cards, tables, diagrams, and organizational cards. Each visual has a different functions depending on the information by presented. Market chart. A pie chart is usually used to describe market share because it shows the percentage of kids per compared to the whole. It helps the audience see which company has the largest share. Process flow. A flow chart is used for explaining steps in a process, such as from order placement to product delivery. It shows the sequence of activities in a clear way. Organizational structure. An organizational chart is used to show a company structure. It explains positions, departments, and reporting relationship within the organizations. Talking about visuals. When presenting visual, it is important to use clear language. We should guide the audience step by step and explain the information in an organization manner. Health spending pie chart. The pie chart presents total health spending and now how money was distributed among different healthcare sectors. The cards help use compare care spending category easily. Hospital card. The larger portion of health spending was hospital card, which accounted for 31% of the total. This month, hospital received the highest amount of funding. Other spending. The second largest category was other spending, 23%. This category included services such as dental care and health care. Doctor and clinical service. Doctor and clinical service represented 22 on top of total spending. The increase was mainly influenced by higher medical technology costs. Prescription drugs. Prescription drugs accounted for 10% of total healthcare costs, although smaller than other categories. It still represents an important part of health spending. Nursing homes and immigration. Nursing homes and immigration is accounting for 7% of total spending. These categories represented the smart share in the card. Listening activity. The section focus on listening practice. Students listen to presenter describing graph and complete the information based on why they hear. Describing trends. When describing graphs, we often talk about increases and decreases. This trends help explain changes in sales, profits, or other business data over time. And scratch in figures. The word increases use often with number caught up. It indicates positive growth in data such as sales or revenue. Rocketed. The word rocketed describes a very rapid increase. It is used when growth happens quickly within a short period. Rose. The word rose also means increasing. It is commonly used when discussing graphs and business performance. Went down. The went down. The price went down means that it so that a features became lower compared to a previous period. Stood at. Stood at is used to celebrate the final value or level of a figure at a particular time. Upward trends. Upward trends show growth or improvement. Words such as increase, rise, and rocket are often used to describe our movement. Downward trends. Downward trends show a decline or reduction. These trends indicate the features are moving lower over time. Other movements. Some graphs may show to stability or fluctuate instead of clear increases or decreases. Presenters shall explain the partner's clearings to the audience. Conclusion. In conclusion, visuals are very useful in business presentation because make the information easier to understand, to present effectively. We should explain visual clearly, highlight key points, and describe the auto clearly. Thank you.